guys, welcome to Fully Loaded Library Science Summary. We are now in the body series and we will study the alimentary canal. We'll start with food, so we get a hot dog. There. Now the hot dog will go inside the mouth to be broken down into pieces. The food will pass through the esophagus to arrive in the stomach. In the stomach, acids and juices will digest the food, and after 30 minutes, the stomach will transfer the digested food to the small intestine. It takes 30 minutes because the stomach has to make sure it's crushed. You know why? Well, the answer to that is simple. The small intestine is going to absorb the food's nutrition and content so that you get your nutrition, vitamins, and energy. Now, the small intestine is 4 times the height of your body, so it takes a few hours for the food to get to the large intestine. The large intestine's job is to absorb the remaining water that the small intestine did not absorb, and after a quick pass through the large intestine, something gross happens. You know what happens, the waste is released. Hope you liked the video, and do not forget to hit like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the part 2 video of the body series and other videos coming up.